AI can code now, AI can write, AI can even replace me even if I am not there, and you cannot tell the difference. So it's natural to have that fear inside that AI can replace us. Trust me guys, when I'm talking about skills, I'm not talking about the certificates and the degrees that you carry. I'm talking about the marketplace where you need to have the jobs and the correct skills. Because there are high chances that you could be extremely skilled in your job. But what if market will tell you one day that they don't need you? What will you do then? Did you know India was never built for jobs? Even for centuries, Indians thrived as traders, farmers and business people. India was not a country for corporate jobs. It was for entrepreneurs. One common misconception young people carry is the skills that would be the antidote to everything. If I just keep working on my skills, I will always have a job. What most of them fail to count is for the market. The future of work is changing fast. From the way we have worked to the jobs we will do. Recently, the World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, 85 million jobs will be lost. And a lot of it has to do with AI and automation. Before the British came, India was one of the richest countries in the world. And this was not because of the corporate jobs, but because of the business. AI is taking away jobs, but AI can never take away businesses. Can AI cook a biryani? Can AI fix your car? Can AI give you a haircut? Or can AI repair your AC in the peak summer? These kinds of businesses can never be replaced by AI. They all are AI proof, and this is exactly where your opportunity lies. So if AI proof careers are the future, why are so many people still stuck in their jobs? Because they all believe in myths that are stopping them from taking a leap. Today, we will break all these myths one by one. I need a lot of money to start my business. This is the biggest lie that held people back. And did you know most successful entrepreneurs in India started with no capital? Let's take an example of Dhirubhai Ambani, who started as a petrol pump attendant, built Reliance, and now it's a multi-billion-dollar company. Infosys started with just 10,000 rupees in 1981. And now it's a big and global giant. And even a small dosa vendor in Mumbai, who started with 10,000 rupees and now has a 10 crore of business empire. So basically, you don't need lakhs of rupees to start your business. You just need willingness to start. Because there are many businesses which you can start with almost zero capital. Now let's get into some practical business ideas which you can start without capital. Number 1, restaurant supplier business. Approach local restaurants and offer them that you will get the raw materials directly from the farmers for their business. Then collect your orders first and then procure the supplies. So there is no need for upfront money. You will be paid as soon as you deliver. Then you can go for reselling business. Just buy and sell the products without restocking them. Platforms like WhatsApp, Amazon and Instagram, they allow you to resell without any investments. After this, you can also start home-based service businesses. Start as a freelance tutor, fitness trainer or a digital marketer. No investments, just your skills. So overall, you don't need money, you need courage to start your business. Now let's burst second myth. I need a fancy degree to start my business. So guys, you don't need an IIT degree to be a successful entrepreneur or a successful engineer, because there are many people in the world who doesn't have a fancy degree to start anything in their life. Let's say about Steve Jobs, founder of Apple, who was a college dropout. Mukesh Ambani, who never had an MBA degree. Ritesh Agarwal, founder of Oyo, who left his college at 19 to start Oyo Rooms. Because factfully, the world doesn't care about your degree. It cares about what you do. Now, the third myth. I need exceptional skills to start my business. So if you are an IT engineer, BPO guy or a call center person, you already have everything to start your business except an AC office. You know how to communicate, you know how to research, you know how to solve problems. And most importantly, you know how to work hard. Because trust me, business is not about having the skills. It's only about having the courage and the correct knowledge to start your business. Comfort zones are the graveyard of your dreams. Because your salary gives you comfort, but your business will give you freedom. The biggest growth in your life will always come when you step out of your comfort zone. So do you want to step out of your comfort zone? Tell me in the comment section, because for that we have Bosswala. We have such an app where you can connect with the expert to start your own business. You can directly talk to them. You can have a one-on-one conversation with them, a phone call conversation or a video call conversation. They have all the solutions for your problems. You just need to download Bosswala app, and to download that, the link is in my description and channel profile.
Bosswala. Be the boss.